I'm so tired I ain't even got to play my Grand Theft Auto. Oh, fool! I'm gonna push this guy down the side. Wait, I have a better idea. I'm gonna get my Glock. Wait, shoot, my Glock at home. I gotta find somebody else's Glock and steal it. Gotta find someone else's Glock and steal it. Dude, have Freddy have the gun.
Where'd the Glock go?
It's over there. No, stop. Have Freddy hold it. No, have Freddy hold it. Hold the actual Glock. This one over here. Yeah, have Freddy hold it. And just be like, bam, 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 bam. No, go over there by that guy's bike or something. Over there.
I'll just go by the tree.
Ah, shoot, I didn't pause. Go closer. Fool, where am I gonna find somebody with a Glock at a park? Dude. Oh, God. I'm gonna sneak attack up on that bitch. Okay. Okay, fool. Okay, fool. Go fast. Go slow. Go slow. Fool. Okay. Okay, fool. Okay, fool. Okay, fool. Okay. Fool, I got your Glock. No, I snapped your neck to dead. Dude, I finally got somebody Glock, though. I got my own Glock again, boy. Okay, come on, fool. Let's go shoot the guy in the back of the head, fool. Wait. Goddamn thing ain't got no bullets. Let me find somebody with bullets. Where am I gonna find Glock ammo? It's a freaking poke, like I said, fool. Oh, God. Oh, hopefully this guy got Glock ammo. This guy do have Glock ammo. Hey, dude, fool, can I have some more Glock ammo?
Oh, sure, have it. Here you go.
Thanks. Yeah.
But why do you need Glock ammo?
Oh, I'll demonstrate what I'm gonna do. Do. Fool. Think I would told you something. Fool, I gonna shoot everybody with my gun, with my new Glock, fool. Okay, let's show with the Glock. 3, 2, 1. Boom, ding, 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 ding. What? Ain't do I